Everyone, today we are going to perform a STEM at home activity known as crawling caterpillar. For this, we need a hard card sheet, or you can take any of the hard paper which is of A4 or A3 size, any size you can take, a tissue paper, colors, a marker, two straws. One is of, you can say, narrow mouth, that is, and the other one is of wide mouth, and a pair of scissors. First of all, with the help of a pen or a pencil, draw a shape of leaf on your hard card sheet. After making a shape of leaf, just cut this with the help of scissors. After cutting this in the shape of a leaf, just simply you can color it in green color to give this appearance of leaf. So here, with the help of marker, I'm making the leaf here. Now I'm coloring this with the help of a green color. Now, after making the leaf, just take this narrow mouth straw, cut this in a half in this way, and wide mouth straw, we need a half an inch in size in this way. Just simply paste it with the help of tape at the end of the leaf like this. With the help of tape or a fevistick, you can fix this wide mouth straw like this on the one side of a leaf. Then, to make our caterpillar, just take tissue. So I am taking this much of tissue with me, like this. Just simply fold the tissue in this way on your straw. And tear off the extra part here. Press the tissue in this way to give them appearance of a caterpillar. This creased part will give you the appearance of caterpillar here in this way. Just tear off the extra part from the side and take your caterpillar out this way, and just paste the extra part with the help of a fevistick. After making the caterpillar design like this, paste the one part of your caterpillar, means the one end of your caterpillar, on your wide mouth straw, and the other part of your caterpillar in this way. Just simply pass the straw first from the wide mouth straw in this way, and paste the another part on the end of this fluorescent straw like this. One part on the wide mouth straw and the other part on the fluorescent straw. Paste it here with the help of a tape or a fevicol. After pasting both the ends of our caterpillar, one to the fluorescent straw and other to this wide mouth straw, you can simply see like how it moves like this. So that's how the caterpillar will move. So this type of a movement will show you the one of the movement for animal movement, that is the crawling. You can also, with the help of a sketch pen, make design on your caterpillar, like the dots you can make here. So this will tell you about one of our animal movement, that is crawling. In this way, you have to put your one of the straw out and then move it like this. So this will show you the crawling. Thank you.